Here's a 2019 BMW X3. Whether your instincts lead you to unpaved roads or just down the to-do list, this X3 delivers on what you need. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, park distance control park assist, AM/FM HD satellite prep radio, power liftgate, driver memory seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, pleasing power delivery, high-quality cabin, accommodating rear seats, and abundant cargo space for its size. BMW is adrenaline unleashed. Take it for a test drive today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.